Hey everyone, it's your DIY crypto guy. What an amazing 36 hours it has been. Before I dive straight into the news, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial, legal, nor tax advice. As you all are aware, Doge had an amazing run up. I'll get into that shortly. Just quickly going back to the coinmarketcap.com, I look at the total market cap, and we're inching up at about 2.2, almost 2.3 trillion in my opinion, and that's a good gauge to have an idea as to the amount of money's coming into the market and money's going out. And usually Fridays are a lower volume red day, and that's due to the CME markets closing, and they tend to open up again. I think it's late Sunday evening into Monday morning, so we should see a uptick. And usually Saturdays, I've been looking now, and we are slowly going up about 17 or so billion in the last few hours, whatnot. Looking, Bitcoin steady at about 62,000, Ethereum approximately 2,500, Binance Coin at about 520, XRP had a pullback to I think in the mid $1.50 range, and it's slowly coming back up. But again, even if it drops to $1.20, in my opinion, it's a great buying opportunity. Cardano 145, and Doge overall, look at that, 500%. Wow, in the last 7 days. Looking at today, we had about 52%. It's maintaining around 35. Let's see what it does. Will it dump back down, or will it continue to slowly rise? Doge does its own thing, but also thanks to Elon Musk. I think yesterday he tweeted out an image of, a Doge dog looking up a ladder pointing up towards the moon. And then I think a few hours later, he posted another tweet, or he tweeted two eyeballs, symbolizing, see what happened. So if you guys also want to follow some crypto news, social media is a great resource. Follow certain communities on Twitter. I would suggest following Elon Musk and Mark Cuban as well for any Doge updates. So I'm just going to go into this first article that billionaire Mark Cuban says he will never sell one Doge. Here's why. The guy's got a lot of money, so I don't think he really needs to sell Doge. But Shark Tank star and billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban says he has no plans to sell his growing Doge holdings. In a new tweet, the Dallas Mavericks owner tells 8.2 million followers that sales in Doge have skyrocketed over sixfold between March and April. That's in 1 month. Yeah, Doge has I don't think that there is a limit to what it can appreciate to. And in my opinion, there's two things coming up. Doge could reach over $1 in the very, very near future. And it may also be listed on Coinbase. If or when it gets listed on Coinbase, we're definitely going to see a surpass of the $1 mark. Here's another article that I wanted to bring. This is mainly for the new people to the crypto space, even those that are listening to my channel. Some say that they've missed the boat regarding Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin's at $65,000. Can't afford it. Again, Bitcoin is fractional, so you can buy any amount of Bitcoin. Ethereum's at approximately $2,500. That's a little bit too pricey. And a $2.2 trillion market cap. This article is explaining that the crypto asset market could surge 500 times. Investors do not realize the magnitude of what's happening, per Raoul Paul. And diving into the article, it says the entire crypto market could increase in size by 50,000%, according to macro investor and Bitcoin advocate Raoul Paul. He's saying that, generally the public is unprepared for the ways in which digital assets could transform the current financial landscape. And I tend to agree with him. He said that there is a parallel financial universe being built in front of our eyes, and people are slowly migrating across. People have no comprehension yet of how big this is. They're still blinkering over whether Bitcoin is an investment vehicle without realizing the magnitude of what is actually going on. And in my opinion, I've been in this space since the late 2010, 2011. And ever since I started, if it wasn't for my own due diligence and my own research and constantly sticking at it, everyone told me it was a scam. Don't waste your money. Don't get into it. You don't know what it is. It's going to be like tulips. Guys, no one knows. I guess you got to have some faith, understand what other factors are driving this space. Technology, it's just going to continue. The blockchain is amazing, and money is changing. You cannot use cash with the internet anymore. Keep that in mind. Another article that I wanted to bring up with those that are interested in Ethereum and why they haven't seen Ethereum appreciate as much as the other cryptos. And usually I've noticed over the last decade or so, Ethereum lingers behind Bitcoin at about a 10% value. So if Bitcoin's at $62,000, $63,000, Ethereum usually should be at about $6,200, $6,300. However, there are some upgrades that they are working on, and they have to address, and they are in the process of addressing their very, very high gas fees. And those are the fees associated with performing transactions on the Ethereum network that are actually causing people and organizations and developers to migrate to other options such as Cardano. And I think Cardano is the third or fourth ranked cryptocurrency. So this Ethereum bonanza has 3 North American Ethereum ETFs approved in one day. This is good for Canada. Canadian stock market investors will soon have a wide range of options to choose from when it comes to Ethereum's ETF. So what they're doing is just bringing access and more options to people for Ethereum. And this other article that I'm just going to click on over here is related. Again, this is more focused for the newer people to the crypto space. FUD articles. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Turkey to ban cryptocurrency payments. Turkey's central bank is also banning payments providers from offering fiat to crypto on-ramps for cryptocurrency exchanges. A few weeks ago, it was India. Turns out India is on board, and they are working to get into the digital space. China, Russia, you name it, almost every country has said the same thing. This is to scare you and I from investing and selling our cryptos. For whatever reason, big banks, big government do not want us, the little people, investing in this technology and actually becoming very, very, very wealthy. So guys, it's going to be an interesting weekend. In my opinion, it's also going to be a great week next week. A lot of things are coming with Doge. How high can Doge go? Guys, I mentioned $1. We could see $1. We could see 10. There is no limit to what we can do. Worst case scenario, you buy some and you hold it. Never sell on red. And you always want to buy the rumor, sell the news. That's a little bit of a trading strategy. So, again, Friday was a little red. Now looking back at the total crypto market space, we're coming back up a bit. So guys, have a great evening, and I will see you on my next video. Cheers.